Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy on Demand. Welcome back to a quick recap. We're down in the city of Atlanta today, and it's so funny, you know, when you have longevity in this business. We actually worked on this property 5 or 6 years ago, and that time we were working for the seller's agent. This was a house that was renovated by a fix and flip kind of a guy, an investor guy, and there were a lot of problems on this project, and the seller's agent brought us in to fight with this contractor and make the repairs so the people that are selling it now could get moved in here. And there is a bunch of stuff. And so this time around, it's under contract. These folks have decided to move out to Smyrna, get out to the suburbs a little bit. And they had just a few things on the inspection report to do. You're not gonna be able to see it really well from the ground. But this house was turned into a fully electric unit. So it's got a furnace, and the oven and the water heater are all electric now. And in their inspection report, they had 2 vent boots up here that were similar to, if you look at this house over here, you'll see one in a second. So this comes up all the time, and we fight with agents all the time because they'll say, well, you need to replace these because they'll get rusted. And so you see this one here, that's what was there before previously. And so what we've done now is we've given them a vent with a cap plate in it, so that as it needs to draw air, there's inside that square opening up there, the vent will open up and it'll exchange air, and then it'll shut back down. And so the one next to it is just a 4-inch galvanized. And so when you're selling a house and you agree on the terms, if that amendment says this, you got to do exactly what they said. And the buyers and their agent wanted these things replaced. Honestly, they could have just painted them and sealed them and they'd be good to go. They're not used anymore. Patching the roof and doing all that isn't needed either. So the boys have gone up there, they've sealed the base plates of both of those units and then reshingled over and sealed those as well. There was a couple other little things. They actually cleaned the gutters for this customer. You can see where the gutters were clogged. If you look on this side of the house, see the debris underneath the gutters and the streaking across the gutters. It'll just let you know that there's a problem there. I won't be able to show you. We sealed some holes and some gaps in the back of the foundation wall. And then we repaired some trim, and you can see this fascia board right here. And so in 5 years, this stuff had already rotted out because this gutter wasn't hung properly here. And so if you get up close on here, you can see the new paint in this corner. And so they've replaced that all the way around. And you can see where they've caulked the back side of it and painted. What you can't see is the replacement piece that we put here is back primed and sealed and painted on all edges, so it'll never rot again. And then we had a piece of trim, I don't remember if it was over here, might be this back of the door right here, right there, that right corner. Actually it is, you can see the angle cuts. So they've repaired where it rotted right here. Now those won't rot again either, they're back primed and sealed. Part of what they want to do, next time they paint this house, the flashing up here is cut short. And this was new construction work. That flashing needs to be extended a little bit beyond, about 1.5 inches, 3/4 inch beyond. And so when they paint, they can call us to paint it and we'll replace that flashing or fix it or whatever they want, or at least seal the edges so the water won't get behind anymore. And so this was a small one for us. People forget what we do. So when we come out and do inspection repairs for like this agent on this property, they just tend to remember that that's all we do. But we do everything. We build decks, we paint, we do kitchens and baths. We've got a new division called On Demand where you can call and schedule for 2 hours of handyman service, and the guys will come out with tools prepared to do some work for you. And we get so many customers that call and say, Andy, I need you to hang a ceiling fan. I want you to come look at it. I can't do that. It has to be a sizable enough job for me to come out and give you a free estimate, which we'll do, but we just can't do it all over town. And so now having the small repair division, you can just call and book 2 hours at a time, and the guys will come out and change the faucet, do whatever they need to do. And your little stuff is getting done, and you're not wasting your whole day waiting for someone that never shows up. You can reach us in the office at 770-912-2829. Sometimes you can get me at 770-265-9017. See you at the next house. Bye for now.